everybody, to another episode of Crypto Moose. I'm your host, Mitchell Bouchard. Let's pop it up on the screen here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's going to help us out here on the channel. Today, what we're going to do is give you an honest guide on how you can get started investing into cryptos and NFTs. Right? So these are going to be non-fungible and fungible assets. So how do you go about investing into this space? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So today, Bitcoin is at $16,683. But more importantly, let's go over this guide that I have. So if you do not know where to start, I've created this little sheet for you. And this is how to start investing into crypto. So the first step is to research consistently. Watch this channel. All right, so if you go to Crypto Moose, I have tons of videos. These are free. We also have online courses. If you want to take it to the next level, pick up an online course. They're $10 when they're on sale on Udemy. They're fantastic. I'm not saying this because I'm going to make a small profit. I'm saying this because it helps. I get the reviews, right? But if you don't want to spend any money, watch more of the videos. I post every day at 2 p.m. I'm covering something. You want to stay on top of things. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's important to know what is going on, because if you're not paying attention, you're going to get lost in the weeds, so to speak, right? So take an online course, research consistently. That's going to be the most important. And don't have any biases, right? If a project comes out and you like it, don't just tell yourself, oh, this is the only project I like. I don't like the others. Test things out, right? So we'll talk about that as well. So number one is to research consistently. Don't even pick anything up. Do not make a move until you research at least, at least for a couple weeks. That's what I recommend anyways. Step number two is to set up a crypto wallet. So how can you set up a crypto wallet? Well, the easiest way is to set up an online exchange. Now, I'm not a fan of exchanges, hence FTX. That can happen. So I'm going to explain this very, very easily for you. So when it comes to cryptos, you want to own your tokens, right? You want to own your private keys. Now, the tokens that you own, they are stored on private keys, right? So an online exchange, let's say Coinbase, which is a good one, Crypto.com, which I have and I use. Now you can download an app, like for example, Crypto.com. And actually we have breaking news, BNB pumping as Binance CEO announces new CFO. Anyways, this is always happening, right? This is why you got to be on top of it. Things are happening. Just a week ago, FTX collapsed. But effectively, if you want to get into crypto and you don't know where to start, just set up an online exchange. They are going to hold your private keys for you. But remember, if the exchange goes down, you're going to lose access to your coins. So what you can do is set up an online exchange, okay? And then they will hold crypto wallets for you. And that's going to be a way that you can set up a crypto wallet. Now, the best way is to set up a hot wallet or to get a Trezor. This is going to be a cold storage wallet. We have videos here on the channel talking about those different options. Now, if you just want to set up a Cardano wallet, for example, you can just set up a Nami wallet, okay? So we'll go Nami wallet. And we have a video here on the channel. So if you go here on Crypto Moose, we show you step-by-step how to set up a wallet. This would be a great way for you to get started, especially when you want to learn how to own your own cryptos, right? Not your keys, not your coins, not your keys, not your damn cheese. That's what I tell people. So if it comes to Cardano specifically, which I'm a huge fan of the project, I think it's a good token, you can set up a Nami wallet. If you want to get into Ethereum, you can download a Chrome extension. This is going to be a hot wallet. And then you can put in your password. I don't even know if I own any Ethereum on here, to be honest. Let me see. See if I even remember my password. So this is a Web3 wallet. I don't even know if I own anything on here. Wow, I own like $1. Big deal. If we go to Ethereum, I should own a little bit. I have a little bit. I have a little bit of ETH. So what you can do is you can go download the MetaMask wallet, and then you can buy right here. So that's one way to get started. Even with the MetaMask, you at least own your private key. So unlike if a huge exchange goes down, you're going to lose access to your coins because they are a full custodial exchange typically, right? So they're going to hold your assets for you. Now, if you set up the crypto.com app, that's going to be the easiest and best way. We're going to have videos here in the future, and if not, take an online course, and I show you how to do all these things, okay? So that's going to be an option for you there. Set up a crypto wallet. Step 3 is to buy tokens. So buy some Bitcoin, okay? And obviously that's an obvious thing to say, but until you experience buying and owning some digital tokens, you just don't understand. A cheap way is to set up a Cardano wallet, and we have videos again showing you how to do that. Pick up a Cardano NFT. Just like tokens, you can buy non-fungible tokens. You connect your wallet to JPEG Store, connect your Nami wallet, and then you could pick up some NFTs for cheap with Cardano. And then you can move into Ethereum where it's a little more expensive. So I hope that makes sense. Personally, I did not understand or even like NFTs until my friends sent me a couple. Changed my entire perspective. So you want to taste these things, right? The closest thing to tasting them, because obviously you cannot eat these digital assets yet, you can buy some, okay? So make a transaction, that's step 4. Make a transaction. Buy some, send some to a different wallet. It could even be your own wallet. Buy an NFT for a friend. Learn to set it up. You can learn right here on the channel. I show you. I show you in the online courses. Again, buy an NFT. That's number 5, okay? So definitely check out the sheet. If you don't know where to get started, we have online courses. And if you don't want to pay anything, check out my videos. You're going to learn a lot. The best one is to go to how to set up a Nami wallet. Once you do that, I show you how to store your coins, how to buy MELD tokens. So once you learn how to do these basic things, you will learn and you will feel more confident in the space. All right, so we're going to leave it at that. Keep this about 9 minutes, this episode. So hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. It's really going to motivate me to continue to post. We are posting every day at 2 p.m. EST. So remember, not your keys. Oh, not your cheese. Messing up.